But y'all will come to know that New Roads is a very special place for us. It's a place, what we call our happy place.
A party at the camp is very on brand for this family.
All right, thank everyone for coming here tonight. This is awesome. Appreciate y'all so much for being here to help us celebrate this awesome weekend for Max and Katie. We're just so excited to have everybody here and finally got to this day that we've been waiting for forever and ever.
This is the most important contract the two of you will ever sign in your lives. Remember that and cherish it. Charlie and Karen can tell you that. Elaine and Phil can tell you that. Everybody who shared the love that we all share, that beautiful marital bliss, a partnership, a real genuine friendship, the best partner you've ever had. You got it. God bless you both.
Katie kept saying, it's special. I want to do this at False River. This is our home. This is the place where I have shared so many memories with these people sitting here. This is where our family has flourished. We've had love, laughter, tears, everything. One of the best comments from Katie was, he's great. I'm gonna barbecue some burgers. We're gonna be in our cutoffs. This is gonna be easy. And Katie looked at her dad and she said, Dad, she goes, simple doesn't mean cheap. If that's anything, that's Katie. Katie is the definition of purity. She is the definition of simple in the absolute best way. But Max, it doesn't mean cheap.
But many times, Max, it feels like you're kind of the parts of me that I haven't been able to be and that I've needed. There have been so many moments in my life where I've had a hard time, and you've been my go-to, no matter what. And for that, I can't thank you enough, and I love you. I did you. And I'm so happy for you.
But since we were little, I've always wanted to be like you. I was an annoying little sister that would dress just like you. I would peek into your room from our little conjoined bathroom and see what you're wearing and go and wear the exact same thing. You've been the best big sister. I'm just so happy for you, and I still want to be like you. I look up to you. Thank you for being the best big sister.
A long, happy marriage comes down to one thing. Be kind to each other. Be kind to each other, and everything else will take care of itself. Now I'm going to ask y'all all to join me and wish Max and Katie a very long and kind marriage.
2, 1.
Katie! My little blue-eyed girl.
She's alright.
Oh, my princess. I love you.
Katie, thank you for being my supporter, a voice of reason, the person that is relaxed and even keeled through any situation. You attract people to you because of your natural way of getting through life. And whether it's dealing with a heartbreak or getting through PA school, you just do it.
I haven't seen my one yet.
I know.
This is great.
Isn't it so fun?
I know.
Thank you for doing all this.
Saturday, February 5th. Best first date I've ever been on. You knocked it out of the park with this one. True story. He says, the waiter found out that it was our first date and said he thought we had been together a long time. Which I replied, that would make a really cool story. He said it really would.
Oh.
Wow.
And the rest is history.
Max, to be honest, I don't think there was a person that I thought could actually match with Katie for the rest of her life. I have never seen her be herself over somebody else. Her true self. The self that makes her laugh, that makes her excited about family, about kids, about growing old with somebody. So thank you for being a best friend for my best friend. I love both of you. Genuinely excited for the next 6 years of our lives together. We're going to have a lot of fun. So raise a glass to these two. Cheers.
Here we are at False River. The Lord is inviting you to remain in His love, to remain in this river of His grace, so that you may be steeped in His love and share that with each other every day. You are rock solid because we know you are building on the rock solid foundation of Jesus Christ.
I, Max, take you, Katie, to be my wife.
I, Katie, take you, Max, to be my husband.
For the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Max and Katie Kilgore!
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
To love you and to honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
You might realize there is a very large festival tonight here in False River. I'm not talking about the wine festival. I'm talking about the Adler celebration. We've invited the Kilgores along as well. So when you leave church, don't go to the left, go to the right. We look forward to this wonderful celebration. I think Susie has had the Sisters of St. Joseph at the Academy praying double time for this glorious weekend weather we have had. We will have a wonderful celebration as we continue to celebrate the love of Katie and Max.
You are going to have the most amazing days. And when you have those days, I want you to just breathe them in. You're gonna have really awful days. The only thing that's gonna get you through is to hang on to each other. Hang on tight and don't ever let go. And let all of these people in this room lift you up and carry you through it.
It's an amazing story how this thing transcends decades to end up right here with all of us tonight. So would you raise your glass with me? And guys, health, wealth, happiness, and time to enjoy it.
I love you both dearly. I wish you the best, and I'm so happy to be back in town. We can hopefully raise our future families together, and I just can't wait.
Y'all make such a beautiful couple, and I can't wait to watch y'all's beautiful life together unfold. Thank y'all for letting us be a part of it.
Thank y'all so much. We look forward to spending a special day tomorrow. Love y'all.
From the get-go with him, it was like, oh, this is somebody who not only tolerates us because he loves Katie, this is somebody who actively wants to be a part of this unit, a part of this family, and he fit in like gangbusters.
Kilgore Farms, here we come. I love you both. Cheers. See you tomorrow.
I'm so proud of you and happy for both of you. I can't wait for the ducklings, and we're really, really excited.
But those attributes that we see in Christ are meant to be reflected in our lives. And we see those gifts in you. We heard it so beautifully last night at the rehearsal dinner with their friends and family who came from out of town. And they spoke of this love, this relationship, this union that we celebrate today. And those are the virtues we see in you. It is my privilege and pleasure to introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Max Kilgore. This is your bride.